Welcome to TMB Designs. I am Trevina, your host of this fabulous lifestyle channel full of inspiration, motivation, and creativity. Hey guys, today we are going to be unboxing my new Ninja Foodi. It was on the top of my Christmas list and I was so excited when the hubby presented it to me on Christmas. So let me tell you guys, just a quick rundown. This is the 8-quart Ninja Foodi. It's going to come with a 17-wide crisping lid, the 8-quart non-stick coating for easy cleanup. You're going to have a cook and crisp basket at 5 quarts. It's going to optimize the airflow to fit up to a 7-pound chicken. Okay, it comes with a pressure lid, and it also comes with deluxe reversible racks for steaming, broiling, and additional servings for layering ingredients. So I'm excited to whip it open and see all these fun and exciting things inside. So without any further ado, let's get into it. They have it packaged well. So let's see what's inside. Okay. So upon initially opening the box, you guys, you're gonna get cooking cheat sheet. That's always good, right? It's gonna come with looks like a cookbook, and as well as some instructions and all that good stuff. So let's set that aside. You're gonna get your one. This is the rack here. I think this is a steaming rack. Okay, so let's move that out of the way. It is packaged very well, you guys. So if you're getting it shipped to you, you don't have to worry about anything shifting or anything like that in the box, because they have it really, really secure. This is the lid. Okay, yeah. So this is your Ninja lid, you guys. We'll set that there. Let's put that around. There's another rack. It looks like they're stackable, which is great, so you can cook more than one thing at one time, which is the whole purpose of a one-pot type of cooking utensil. So let's see. That looks like it is, yes, it is stackable. That's amazing. Okay, so you got your 2 stackable racks. And now, let's whip out this bad boy. So here it is, you guys, out of the box. And let's lift up the lid and see what's inside. Okay, let me pull it forward. Okay. Oh, let's do it that way. So inside there are more items. So this is just another protective little thing. Again, it is very well packaged. So okay, here's your, it's like your steaming or your air frying pot. So you have that. And then here is the actual 5-quart pan. Yes, so there. And it even has like your measurements inside for helping with your aiding when you're cooking and everything. So this, you guys, here it is. I think this is your air frying pan. This is your actual pot, and it comes with the, I think this is the roasting or broiling lid. It is a different attachment here. I'm not sure how it attaches, but we'll figure that all out. But that is that. Okay, really neat little device there. Okay, so it's easy lock and unlock. You just place it on and twist. I made it look so easy before. Okay, there we go. Go into it. it's locked. There we go. Really, really neat. So you have here, it comes with the 2 stackable racks, an additional lid, and your frying pan, your air fryer pan, as well as recipe books and instructions. So now I can't wait, you guys, to whip it open and try some of these amazing recipes. So here you have it. Here everything is all laid out, you guys. This is the Ninja Foodi 8-in-1. And here are the other attachments. Your air frying pan and your stackable trays to cook, allow you to cook multiple items at one time. So here it is. Again, it's going to come with your instructions, your owner's guide. It comes with a Ninja Foodi cookbook here, 45 mouth-watering recipes and charts. That's amazing. And then here it is just giving you instructions. Oh, this just, okay, so you can stack those trays in several different ways. That's pretty cool. But see there, you can do the double stack. And then this is just registered now for exclusive accessory offers. Okay, and so then here is your cheat sheet. Really, really awesome. So we are going to get cooking. So I am so excited to get it in working order. I know there are a few instructions I need to follow prior to cooking. I've been watching a couple of unboxings myself just to kind of see what to expect with the new cooking accessories. So here it is. Everything is all laid out. Your stackable trays and your additional accessories. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button and join the TMB family. Here you will find plenty of inspiration, motivation, and a lot of creativity. If you have not already, connect with me on my other social media sites, TMB Designs 2 on Facebook, TMB Designs 2 on Instagram. So until the next video, have a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day.